Hey gorgeous, I welcome you back again to my channel, and here is a quick video on how to make a twisted headband. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly watch to the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So this headband is very easy to make. All you need is just your piece of fabric. I am working with a stretchy fabric. You can also use non-stretchy fabric. This cutout is about 21 inches by 4 inches. That's 21 inches long and 4 inches wide. You can actually make yours wider than this, make maybe 8 inches, 6 inches. It all depends. My normal head circumference is 23 inches, but in this tutorial I'm making use of 21 inches because it is a stretchy fabric. Okay, so when you are done cutting out your piece, you fold it into two on the wrong side, just as you can see me do, and go ahead to stitch it at half an inch or quarter of an inch. And you may decide to weave it, okay, if you want to better secure it. After stitching on it like that, then you flip it to the right side. So kindly note the way I'm placing it on the table. I ensured that the seam is at the middle, okay? So the seam is also facing up, like you are seeing the seam, just as you can see in this video. You are going to be wrapping the ends up this way. Just take a look at what I did. If you don't understand, you can just go back to the video again. So after wrapping it like this, you just stitch. That's just it. After stitching, you can even use your hand needle and thread to achieve this. Honestly, if you don't have a sewing machine, you can actually use your hand needle and thread to achieve this. So after stitching, you just trim out the excess, and yeah, it is done. It is done. So this is how to make a twisted headband. You know what, guys, you can make many of these and sell them in different colors, you understand, in different patterns. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and do not also forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.